Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
A small block of mass m is given an initial speed v0 up a ramp inclined at angle to the horizontal. It travels a distance d up the ramp and comes to rest. Determine a formula for the coefficient of kinetic friction between a block and ramp. What can you say about the value of the coefficient of static friction? Correct answer is the formula for the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the ramp is mu k equal frac mg h frac 1 to mv 0 to cos 2 theta mgd sin theta, where mu k is the coefficient of kinetic friction, m is the mass of the block, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the vertical height of the ramp, v0 is the initial speed of the block, theta is the angle of the ramp, and d is the distance traveled up the ramp. The value of the coefficient of static friction can be inferred based on the fact that the block comes to rest. The coefficient of static friction must be greater than or equal to the coefficient of kinetic friction to prevent the block from sliding back down the ramp once it has come to rest.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.